Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are back with another video. Hope you are doing well. Okay, today we are going to learn about data types of Python, right? Okay, if you have any prior knowledge about any programming language like Java, C Sharp, Python, and whatever, C, then you must know that data types in every language almost are same, and they are used to define the data. They are used to define the data that we are using. Okay, let's start with integer. First of all, we need to define a variable here. I am giving it value 5. Then I need to print a. Run. It will give me 5 value. Okay. Now we will move toward floating point. Okay, most important thing, we don't need to define data type in Python. It will run, or it will learn what data type is while executing the program. Now, if we are using float variable or float data type, then for suppose I will write a value here 5.26. Okay, now I will print B. Look, here we have, wait, sorry, here is, now it will print the floating point. Floating point are that in decimal point. Now we have string here, and it will definitely run by there. Look, we have the example here, for example, C, and I will write, I am Replit. Now I will run. Sorry, I have not defined here print C. Okay, here. Okay, now most important thing here is if we want to typecast our data type. For example, we have right here a is equals to 5, and we want that it must be print in floating point. But by definition or by declaration, the Python, when it debug the program or running the program, it will consider it as integer. But we want that it will print minimal decimal point if is equals to 5.06 or 5.1. Okay, so we need to, what we need to do, we need to typecast our data. Okay, for suppose we will write here. Okay, I want to print it as floating point, so I will write here float, and close the parenthesis. Now if I will write print a, for suppose I'm giving I am not integer but float. Okay, now I will print a, then I will run the program. We have here, what is, okay, sorry. Look, now we have 5.0. Okay, if I want to print 5 as a, for suppose I have a name, consider I want to print this as a string, then I will typecast it str in string, and I will print, then it will show I'm not, sorry, I'm not integer but string A. If I will run the program, then it will give this value. Hope you are getting into the data type. We will run in detail in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.